Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can solve exporting issues in CapCut. So let's begin. First, access your application, okay, your CapCut. Then click on Create Project. This is where we can easily access the options. For example, we are on the menu over here on the upper left corner. Click on that. It will show you a drop down, then click on settings. I believe it was settings. Let me just make sure. Okay. So once you're here, you have draft, edit, performance, general. Go to performance. And the very first option, which is encode and decode. Uh, in most cases, you just need to uncheck this. Speed up hardware encoding. Okay. And you can hover right over here if you don't know what this means. So it says uh, unselect it to avoid exporting issues caused by incompatible drivers will take effect after the project reopened. So this is very important. Uncheck that. Or you can also do this, which is hardware decoding. It says unselect this to avoid black screen and blurry screen caused by driver incompatibility. It will take effect also after you've restarted your project. So first do this, and if it's still not working, uncheck both. Okay. So once that's done, click on save, and then just make sure to restart your CapCut. Go ahead, try to export your video. 99% of the time, it will work. But if not, you definitely need to update CapCut or try to uninstall it, install it back. If it's still not working, then you might need to contact CapCut customer support for that. But I assure you that this will work in most cases. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.